that is comfortable for you. You might try sitting crisscross, in a chair, on the floor, or lying down. Notice anything that might be a bit uncomfortable, and just notice it. Notice how it feels in the body. Become aware of any tension you may be carrying in your body, and try your best to release that on your next exhale. Begin to bring your attention to your breath. Follow my voice and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow your breath to fall back into its natural pace. You are calm, you are relaxed, and you are at peace. This is your time. There is nothing to worry about, nothing that worrying with will solve. It is important to take time for yourself to relax and step back, away from these worries. Now, begin to focus on the sound of the rain. Hear as it changes in speed and in weight. Think of the rain falling all over your body, turning you into water. Our bodies are made of water, and with it, we share the same vibrational frequency. Water, along with the sun, is our life force, so allow the sound of the sacred rain to calm and to soothe you. Thank the rain for cooling, nourishing, and cleansing you. Feel the deep sense of gratitude towards the water and its life-giving powers. Allow your mind to follow the path of a raindrop, beginning in the rain cloud where it starts to form. Imagine the droplet as it begins to fall, and follow the raindrop as it drifts effortlessly through the sky. It purifies the air around it, cleansing the atmosphere and getting ready to nourish the earth below. Follow the raindrop as it lands in a green springtime forest. It begins to seep into the lush forest ground, hydrating the soil and preparing it for new life. Parts of the raindrop enter the roots of a tree, traveling up the trunk, into the branches, and later evaporating through the leaves, transforming it into oxygen and moving through the fresh air. Imagine that oxygen entering through your nose on your next inhale. Feel the coolness of the air and imagine the power of the rain cleansing and nourishing your body, just like it does to the earth and the trees. Allow the air to calm and to soothe you. As you exhale, imagine providing the trees and plants with the nourishment they need. Again, inhale, taking in nature's gift of oxygen. And exhale, thanking nature by giving back what you can offer. Remember that you are a part of nature. You are perfect just as you are, just as nature is. You are a part of the natural process of the universe, and you deserve all that the universe has to offer, designed just for you. Like every raindrop, you have a purpose on this earth. Allow the universe to protect you and to nourish you, giving you the strength to fulfill your life's purpose. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, coming back into your body and carrying the calmness and the power of water with you. As you open your eyes and get ready to continue to go about your day.